loves, it's Schalathia Nikole, and I'm back coming to you guys to show you guys another video on this beautiful soft matte glam look. This video was requested by a subscriber. She actually private messaged me on Facebook and she's like, I need to know like a natural glam look that I can use like on the regular. So this is what I came up with. I really love this look. It's really soft. And it's not so harsh on the eyes. Like, I mean, you know how you could use a shimmer and it's like pop and it's so bold, but this is like a soft matte glam, classy. I mean, everything that you need. You could either change this lipstick out for some lip gloss or a red lipstick or whatever color you like and just dress it up however you like. And yeah, I love it. And if you're watching this video and you're already a subscriber, I just want to say thank you, and I really appreciate you guys for supporting me. Thank you for all your likes, your comments, your encouragements. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family, love. And also I want to invite you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So without further ado, let's continue on to the video. Hi love, so my eyebrows are already finished and I'm just applying the Nars Caramel Concealer all over my eyelid. I do this instead of using a primer, and I just use a tapping motion using my blending brush. It's the M173 by Morphe. So the palette I'll be using is Juvia's Place, and I'll start off with the color Zaz. Using a blending brush, you want to pack all of that product until you can see the color really nicely all on top of the inner corner of your eyelid, so that whenever you're blending out all the other colors, that the white doesn't disappear. So the next color I'll be using is this brown color, and it's called Kufuru. I'm just going to pack that into the outer corner V of my eye all the way up into my crease. So the next color I'll be using is Zama. It's a burnt orange color, and I'll be taking a lighter fluffy brush and just blending that out into the brown all the way up to my brow bone, and just go back and forth and just keep blending. So now I'm going to go back in with the brown and redeposit some of that pigment that I lost while I was blending. The next color I'll be using is a lighter brown, and it's called Suede. And I'm just gonna blend that in between the white eyeshadow and the brown. And I'm gonna go back in and apply Zaz to my eyelid and just blend it out. Go in and do a wing using my NYX Black Mattifying Eyeliner. So now I'm going to take a nude eyeliner. I forgot the name of the company. I believe it's Absolute. And just go on my waterline. And using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, I'm just going to apply that everywhere. And the foundation I'll be using today is Macao by Nars. And the brush that I'm using is by Jaclyn Hill. It actually comes in a set. The first concealer I'll be using will be Amande, and that's by Nars. And using my Morphe beauty sponge, I'm going to go in and blend that out really nicely. And now taking Nars Caramel Concealer, I'm going to clean up my wing. And I'm going to also go over that concealer with caramel again and highlight my under eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And using my damp beauty sponge by Morphe, I'm just going to blend this out to my liking. And now using Nars Dark Coffee Concealer, I'm going to go in and contour my cheekbones and also my nose and my chin. And I'm going to blend out my nose contour using the M173 Morphe brush. And I'm also going to use an ankle brush to blend out the concealer under my cheekbones and my chin. Also using the Fenty refreshing spray to refresh my makeup. I was feeling kind of dry and the concealer wasn't blending. So to set, I'll be using dermablend powder. I don't bake, I just apply the powder and just blend it out. And I'm just applying this powder to every place that I've highlighted on my face. So I'm going to take Honey 3 by Lancome. It is a foundation powder, and I'm just going to go over my highlight just to give it a seamless look. I really love how this turns out every time I do this. And now I'm going to use my Suede powder, and it's a foundation powder by Lancome. And just blend everything out. You can use this powder alone by itself. You do not need liquid foundation. It is a powder foundation and it gives you full coverage. And as you can see here, I'm blending in Mahogany by Anastasia Beverly Hills. That's the bronzer powder that I use, or a contour powder. And I'm going to go in with Dolce Vita by Nars. It's a beautiful rosy blush, perfect for springtime. And I'm also going in with the Fenty Hustler Baby and Killawatt and highlighting everywhere. So now I'm going to go in with this color under my eyes and blend it out using Jamata from the Warrior 2 palette. And the lashes I'll be using is by Eyelure Lash London. And I set everything with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I absolutely love it. And setting your makeup will not be complete unless you have a Patrick tie fan. The mascara I'm using is by MAC. It's Lash Extreme 3D in the Blackest Black. And the lip liner I'm using today is the Spunk liner by Nars. It's a beautiful brown creamy liner. And the lipstick I'll be using today is Naked by Mahogany. It is my absolutely favorite nude lipstick ever. And I'm going to go in with my white lipstick just to lighten it up and give me like an ombre effect on my lips. So this is the finished look, you guys. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of this look. And if there's any other looks you'd like for me to try out on my channel, let me know down in the comment section. And thank you guys for all of your support. See you later, love.